Today I'm going to show you how to utilize the comment bank. First, you're going to go to this icon and click on it, and you're going to click on the plus sign to add a comment. So the feedback I want to provide to this student is, please use ending punctuation in your writing. And I'm going to click comment. Let's say the student has edited and the student is going to mark the check mark as resolved. You can add additional comments after they've resubmitted their work by going to the plus sign again. And let's say this time you want to suggest transition words. Please try to start your sentences with transition words. And I'm going to click comment. And when the student gets this document, they're going to see my comment and they're going to try different transition words. And then they're going to mark it as resolved. Let's say you're conferencing with the parent and they want to see what types of feedback you've been giving their students. You can always access the comments that you have given and that have been resolved back in the same icon. Click here to open the comment history, and you can see where the comments were resolved and what time they were resolved. Let's say it was not edited to your liking. You can reopen any of the comments to start the topic again. As you can see, when I click on the document, the comments populate there on the right-hand side once more. You can further give feedback on this document or mark them as resolved again.